Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, here is your mathematics teacher Muhammad Abdul Saeed from Pakistan International School, Qatar, Saudi Arabia. Today we will continue our lecture number 63, exercise 6.4, and question number, we have question number 12. And actually question number 12 and question number 13 are exactly same. So I am taking question number 12. Question number 12 is, we have sum of S9 and S7 is 203. Sum of, it is given that sum of S9 and S7 is 203. That is equation number 1. After that, we have difference S9 minus S7. S9 minus S7 is equal to 49. This is equation number 2. Where S9, S7 are the sums of 9 and 7 terms of AP, determine the series. In fact, we have to find arithmetic series. Dear students, we are given sum of S9 and S7 is 203 and difference is this one. We can adding equations 1 and 2. So S7 and S7 cancelled out to S9 is equal to, this will be 5 and 2, 252. You add them, this will be 252 and S9 is equal to 252 over 2. So S9 is equal to 1, 2 and 6. S9 is equal to 126. Dear students, we have S9 is equal to 126. And you know that, what about S9? 9 over 2 into 2a plus 9 minus 1 into d, that is 126. Here is 9 into 2a plus 8d is equal to 2 into 126. 2 into 126. That will be 9 into 2a plus 8d is equal to 252. I think you can divide both sides by 9. Yes, you can divide both sides by 9. So dividing by 9, 2a plus 8d is equal to, we have 28. This is equation number 3. Here is equation number 3. Actually, we have to find the two equations in terms of a and b. Then we will find the series. Similarly, using this S9 here, in equation number 1 to find S7, using S9 in equation number 1. So this is 126 plus S7 is equal to 203. S7 is 203 minus 126 and S7 is equal to 203 minus here we have 203 minus 126. Yes. (126) 7, and here will be 9 and this will be 2. 7. 77. Yes. Here is 77. But what about S7? 7 over 2 into 2a plus 7 minus 1 into D, it is equal to 77. You have 2A plus 6D is equal to 77, and take this 7 over 2 on the other side, it will become 2 over 7. 2 will come up and 7 to the denominator, that will be 11. So 2A plus 6D is equal to 22. Here is equation number 4. Dear students, we have 2A plus 8D is equal to 28. 2A plus 6D is equal to 22. Subtracting. Write down equation 3 first and equation 4 and subtract 2A cancel with 2 and this will be 2D is equal to 6 and D is equal to 3. Dear students, we have D is equal to 3. Now, using this D in any one equation, in equation number 3 or 4 to find value of A. Okay, using D in equation number 4. Using D in equation number 4. What will be that? 2A plus 6 into 3 is equal to 22. 2A plus 18 is equal to 22. 2A is equal to 22 minus 18. That will be 4 and A is equal to 2. Dear students, we have value of A 2 and value of D is 3. Now the required arithmetic series is, what is arithmetic series? A plus D, then A plus 2D, then A plus 3D, plus so on. Here is 2 plus 2 plus 3, plus 2 plus 2 into 3, plus 2 plus 3 into 3, plus so on. Here is 2 plus 5. This is 8 and this will be 11 and up to so on. Dear students, this is your required arithmetic series. You can check the common difference. 5 minus 2, 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. 11 minus 8 is 3. So common difference is same. So this is the arithmetic series. I hope that you understood this question. Dear students, that was your question number 12. After that, we have question number 14, 15 and 16. These are exactly have same nature. Actually, similar questions, when you understand it properly, then you can solve the other similar question in the same way. And they will not be so difficult, don't worry. If you have any problem, then you can contact me and inshallah we can solve that problem. If you have any confusion somewhere, we'll do it. Here we have question number 13, 14, 15 and 16. Find the 5 numbers in AP. Question number 16 is 5 numbers in AP. We have to find 5 numbers in AP whose sum is 25, sum is 25 and sum of squares that will be equal to, yes, sum of squares 135. These numbers must be in AP. checking arithmetic progression, whenever you suppose the numbers, you consider the numbers, their common difference must remain the same. Then they will be the correct numbers in AP. Let us consider required 5 numbers in AP are A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D and A plus 2D. Dear students, you can check second minus first, A will be cancelled out and plus 2D minus D is D. Then third minus second, D, common difference is D. Fourth minus third, common difference is D. Fifth minus fourth, common difference is D, because A plus 2D minus A minus D. A cancelled out, 2D minus D is D. So common difference between all these 4 numbers are same, so that's why they are the correct numbers in arithmetic progression. So what was the first condition? As sum is equal to 25. So what is that? A minus 2D, then A minus D, plus A plus D, and A plus 2D is equal to 25. Dear students, D cancelled out, 2D cancelled out. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5A is equal to 25 and A is equal to 5. This is your value of A. Actually, you have to find these values. And you need values of A and B for finding these numbers. We have found A. Next is also sum of squares. Sum of squares is equal to 135. What is sum of square? A minus 2D square, A minus D square, A square plus A plus D square, and A plus 2D square is equal to 135. Dear students, we can open up the formula of square. A square minus 4AD plus 4D square. A square minus 2AD plus D square plus A square, then A square plus 2AD plus D square plus A square plus 4AD plus 4D square is equal to 135. Dear students, we have opened the square of all. So 4AD cancelled out, 2AD and plus 2AD minus 2AD cancelled out. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here is 5A square. Then plus 4D square. This is 5D square. Then 6D square. Then 10D square. Total are 10D square is equal to 135. Here we can have 5. What is the value of A? This is 5 square. 10D square is equal to 135. Dear students, we can have 5 square is 25, 25 into 2, 5 is 125. So 10D square is equal to 135 minus 125, that is equal to 10. So we have 10D square is equal to 10, D square is equal to 1 and D is equal to plus minus 1. Dear students, there are the possibilities for D that they may be plus 1 and minus 1. Okay. Now, if A is equal to 5 and D is equal to plus 1, I am taking first possibility. A is equal to 5 and D is equal to plus 1. Then numbers in AP are, what is 5 minus 2 into 1, 5 minus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 5 plus 2 into 1. I have applied in place of A as 5 and in place of B as 1. Here is 5 minus 2, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This is 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Dear students, these are 5 required terms in AP. Similarly, we have if 5 is equal to A and B is equal to minus 1, then required numbers in AP are, what will be 5 minus 2 into minus 1, 5 minus 1, 5, then 5 plus 2, 5 plus 1 into minus 1, yes, and then 5 plus 2 into minus 1. Here is 5 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 5, then 5 minus 1 and 5 minus 2. Dear student, that will be 7, 6, 5, 4 and 3. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are your required terms in AP. 5 required terms in AP. I hope that you understood this question. Dear students, after that we have question number 17 and 18. The sum of 6 term and 8 term was this, and product of 4th and this is 20. Find AP. Similarly, if we have if A square, B square and C square in AP, show that 1 over B plus C, 1 over C plus A and 1 over A plus B are in AP. They are similar, then we can have question number 17. We have our question number 17 and 18. The same exercise 6.4. After that, we have exercise 6.5. And dear students, exercise 6.5 is the exercise of word problems in AP. Exercise of word problems in AP. We have exercise 6.5. Now, question number, we have question number 17 and question number 18. So what is the question number 17? Sum of 6th and 8th terms of AP is 40. It is given that sum of 6 and 8 terms A6 plus A8 is equal to 40. This is number 1. The second is the product of 4th and 7 is 220. Product of 4th and 7 is 220. Yes, 220. So we have to find arithmetic progression. We have to find arithmetic progression. Arithmetic sequence. From equation 1, A6 can be written as A plus 6 minus 1 into D. A8 can be written as A plus 8 minus 1 into D, that is 40. So A plus 5D, then A plus 7D is equal to 40. Here 2A plus 12d is equal to 40. You can dividing by 2, a plus 6b is equal to 20. This is your equation number 3. A plus 6b is equal to 20. This is equation number 3. And from equation 2, a4 can be written as a plus 4 minus 1 into d. And a7 is a plus 7 minus 1 into d, that is equal to 220. So a plus 3d into a plus 6d is equal to 220. Dear students, we can have a plus 6d is equal to 20 in equation number 3. So you can use equation 3 in this equation, equation number 4. Okay, using equation 3 in equation number 4. Dear students, we have a plus 3d into a plus 6d is equal to 20. So we will write down here 20. That is 220. A plus 3d is equal to 220 divided by 20. That will be 11. A plus 3d is equal to 11, that is 5. So dear students, we have our equation number 3 and equation number 5. These are two equations. They will be solved simultaneously to find the values of a and b. So here we can have a plus 6d is equal to 20 and a plus 3d is equal to 11. Subtracting, change the sign. They are cancelled out. 3d is equal to 9 and d is equal to 3. Use this value of d in equation number 5 to find a. Using b in equation number 5, we have a plus 3 into 3 is equal to 11, a plus 9 is equal to 11, and a is equal to 11 minus 9 is 2. Dear students, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3. Here we can have, hence, required arithmetic progression is a plus b, a plus 2b, a plus 3b, comma, up to so on. Remember that this is AP, arithmetic progression. Here you will have value of a is 2, then 2 plus 3, then 2 plus 2 into 3, then 2 plus 3 into 3, like that. Here is 2, 5, 8, 11, up to so on. This is your required arithmetic progression of your exercise 6.4. Dear students, that was your exercise 6.4. Now we can start our exercise 6.5. This is, I told you already, exercise 6.5 is not so difficult, but to convert from the sentences to the mathematical expression, it is very important. In 6.5, you will read out the question very carefully and find the mathematical expressions from the sentences, from descriptions. These are the word problems of your AP. Word problems of AP. Here you can have. So dear students, exercise 6.5. Here we have exercise 6.5. Question number 2. Question number 2. 378 trees are planted in row in the shape of an isosceles triangle, the number of successive rows during of one decreasing by one from base to top, how many trees are there in the row which form the base of triangles? Remember that here is question number 2, exercise 6.5. The question is, here is the isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means these two sides are equal in length. The question is, if for example base contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then above that there will be 8. 1 decreased. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And then next is 7. And here is 1 and then is 2 and this is 3. This is the way. How to plant the trees in a rectangular triangular shape. And if you write down the sequence from the top, to the base, we have sequence from the top to base is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus 4 plus so on to amount is 378. Remember that. Here we have Sn. So here actually in the rows, the number of successive rows there, we have to find the number of trees. We have to find the number of trees in each row. Or rather, yes, how many trees are there in the row which form the base? Yes. Now finally, we have to find the number of trees in the base row. It means that you have to find n. So what about A? This is 1. B is 2 minus 1 is 1. Sn is 378. You have to find n. Using Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Dear students, you can apply 378 is equal to n by 2 into 2a mean 1. N minus 1, b is 1 again. You have 378 is into 2, n into 2 plus n minus 1. Here is n into n plus 1. Here is n plus n square plus n. That will be 378 and multiplied by 2 is 756. Okay. So dear students, we will have n square plus n minus 756 is equal to 0. Now if you have the number, this is a big number, you can have a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 756. Apply quadratic formula. N is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. So n is equal to minus 1 plus minus b square is 1 square is 1 minus 4 into 1 into minus 756 over 2 into 1. Dear students, we have n is equal to minus 1 plus minus 1 plus this is minus plus 1 plus 3024. Yes. Divided by 2. N is equal to minus 1 plus minus 3025 over 2. N is equal to minus plus minus 3025 square root will be 55. Here is 55 over 2. Now we have n is equal to minus 1 plus 55 over 2, n is equal to minus 1 minus 55 over 2. So n is equal to 54 over 2, n is equal to minus 56 over 2, that is n is equal to what will be 27, and this is negative, not possible. Number of terms, number of trees, number of rows can never be negative. So n is equal to 27. So dear students, you have n is equal to 27. So we have n is equal to 27. There are 27 trees which will be planted in the base row, in the last row. After that, we have question number 3 and question number 4. They are similar, so we can take one from that word problem. It is important to understand what is given in your data, whether it is AN or SN. This is a very important thing. You must differentiate that what is given, SN or AN. Sometimes it becomes difficult to understand. So this is the important thing for these type of questions. Here we have question number 3 and 5. The question is number 3. A man borrows 1100 rupees and agreed to repay with the total interest of 230 in 14 installment. Each installment being less than the preceding by rupees 10. What should be his first installment? First installment. The second is question number 5. Student saves rupees 12 at the end of first week, goes on increasing his saving rupees 4 weekly. After how many weeks will be able to save 2100? So basically, we have to find the number of weeks. How many weeks he will have when we can deposit 2100? So here is question number 5. First week he deposited 4, second week 8, and then third 12, plus so on. Plus so on. So to amount 2100, you have to find the number of weeks in which he will be able to deposit this much amount. So definitely we have A is equal to 4, B is equal to second minus first 4, and N is equal to question mark, but AN is equal to 20. No, this is not AN, this is SN, 2100, because this is the total amount, SN. So using Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is 2100 n over 2 into 2 into 4 plus n minus 1 into d is 4. 4200 n into 8 plus 4n minus 4. N into 4n plus 4, 4200. This is 4n square plus 4n, 4200. Dear students, we can divide both sides by 4. This can be divided both sides by 4. What we will get? The student saves how much in the first term? Oh, sorry. First term was not 4. It was 12 and then 16 and then 20 plus so on. The first term he was having 12. Then D is same. 16 minus 12 is 4 and that one is same. Only we have changed. Actually, I forgot to have. The student saves 12 rupees at the end of first week. So first week saving was not 4, it was 12. And every week he was increasing the amount. So here 2 into 12. Then here will be 24 plus 4 and minus 4. Other is same. Then 4 and plus 20. Here is 4n square plus 20n. Dear students, we can have 4n square plus 20n minus 4200 is equal to 0, dividing both sides by 4. N square plus 5n minus, this will be 1. Then 0, 5 and 0. This is n square plus 5n minus 1050, and we can apply quadratic formula as n is equal to minus b plus minus b square. What is b square? 25 minus 4a into minus 1050 whole divided by 2 into 1. So n is equal to minus 5 plus minus 25 plus what will be? We have 4200. Yes, that will be 2 minus 5 plus minus 4225 over 2. So n is equal to minus 5 plus minus 4225 under root is 65. Yes, it will be 65 over 2. Dear students, you can write down n is minus 5 plus 65 over 2 and n is equal to minus 5 minus 65 over 2. This is negative, not possible. Number of terms can never be negative. So here is n is equal to 65 minus 5 is 60. 60 over 2 is 30. So there are 30 weeks. There are 30 weeks in which he can deposit. He can deposit his this amount 2100, and after that we have question number 6 and 9 in this exercise. Question number 6. Question number 6. Yes, dear students, we have question number 6. An object falling from rest falls 9 meters during the first second, 27 meters during the next second, 45 during the third second, and so on. How far will it fall during the fifth second? Question number 6. First was in first second 9 meters. First second 9 meters, then 25 meters, then after that then 45 meters up to so on. The question is that what will be? Yes. How far will it fall during the fifth second? Remember that during the fifth second mean it is the question of only fifth second. So you will find A5. And next is how far will it fly up to the fifth second? How far will it fly up to the fifth second mean from 1 second, third second, third second, fourth second, and fifth second. From all the 5 seconds, what was the total distance covered? So that's why in second part we have S5. In first only fifth second for the fifth term, and this is the sum of 5 terms. So what about A, 9, and B is 27 minus 9, that is 18. And n is equal to 5 and you have to find A5. Using the formula, A5 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here n means 5. So A5 is equal to 9 plus 4 into D is, what is the 18? 9 plus 72, that will be 81 meter. Dear students, in fifth second, he will fall 81 meter. And up to the fifth second, we have, for second part, using S5 is equal to 5 over 2 into 2. A 9 plus 5 minus 1 into D. D is 18. Here is 5 over 2 into 18 plus 4 into 18. 5 over 2 into 18 plus 72. Yes. And that will be 5 over 2 into, this is 90. 90 is divided by 2, 45. So it will be 225 meters. Dear students, this is your second part. In total 5 seconds, he will fall through the distance of 220 meters. After that, after this, this is question number 9. Of your exercise 6.5, question number 9. Question number 9 we will have. Yes, question number 9. The question number 9 is, the prize money 60,000 will be distributed among the 8 teams according to their positions determined in the next series. Award increases by the same amount for each higher position. If the last place team is given 4,000, how much will he be awarded for the first place team? So first place team is, actually we are going to find, here we have, for example, first place team is 4,000. First place team is 4,000. Then second will have B and similarly 4,000 plus 2D, and the last one will be 4,000 plus 7D. Remember that there are 8 teams. This is first team, and from B to 7D there will be 7 teams. From D to 7D there are 17, and include this one, total will be this one. So you can say S8 was 60,000. Remember that S8 is 60,000. So we can have the formula Sn is equal by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. You know that S8 is equal to 8 over 2. Yes, S8 is equal to 8 over 2 into 2a. 2a means 4000 plus 7 into d. Actually, we have to find d. This was 60,000. This is 4. 8,000 plus 70. 60,000 over 4. 8,000 plus 70. You can divide it 60,000 by 4. What will be? 15,000 minus 8,000. That is 70. Here is 7,000 is equal to 70 and d is equal to 1,000. Dear students, common difference d is 1,000. So what will the term, what will get? The 18. So what about 18? 18 will get 4,000 plus 70. Remember that there was to find d value. This is the lowest position and this is the highest position of the d. That is 4,000 plus 7 into 1,000. That is 4,000 plus 7,000. That is equal to 11,000. Dear students, the top position of the team out of 8 teams will get reward amount as 11,000 and the lowest performance team will get 4,000. I hope that you understood this question. Dear students, keep on revising and solve these questions which I left out for you people. Okay, if there is any problem, you can contact me. Inshallah, we'll do it. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.